In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero quickly and efficiently. Whether you're preparing for an audit, adjusting your financial strategies, or simply looking to keep an organized record offline, this quick guide will give you everything you need to seamlessly export your data from Xero. To get started, first, log into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the top bar where you'll find various options. What you'll want to do is click on Accounting. By selecting this option, you're essentially entering the financial hub of your Xero account, where all the financial transactions you've recorded are housed. When you click on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is a crucial area of your Xero account because it gives you access to all your accounts used for recording transactions. Think of it as a detailed map of your financial activities, showing you where each transaction has been allocated. As you land on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll be greeted by a comprehensive list of all your accounts. This includes everything from your revenue accounts and expense accounts to assets and liabilities. It's worth taking a brief moment to ensure that all the accounts listed are what you expect to see. This page is essentially a record of every transactional category you've utilized, and getting familiar with this can greatly enhance your financial clarity. Now comes the exporting part. Direct your attention to the top of the table where your accounts are listed. Here, you will see an Export button prominently displayed. This is your gateway to downloading the data. Simply click the Export button, and with this simple action, you're initiating the download of a CSV file that contains all of the account information displayed on your screen. CSV files are particularly useful because they can be opened in a variety of programs, such as Excel or Google Sheets, allowing you to work with your data offline, perform deeper analyses, or share with other stakeholders easily. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your financial data from Xero into a CSV file. This quick process ensures that you have all your needed account information accessible outside of Xero, providing you with flexibility and peace of mind when it comes to managing your financial records. Should you need to perform this action regularly, it can be a real-time saver, and the simplicity of it means that it's just as easy to replicate in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Xero experience. Happy exporting!